Alright, what's happening? You know what time it is. Keenan just felt like cooking. Yeah, and I'm about to whip up a nice little burrito. And I'm going to make it in a way that I've never seen before. Maybe it was done, but this is my version of my smoked burritos, a.k.a. the Bobby Burrito. Let's get to it. Okay, so the meat I'm starting off with is just some ground beef round. They call it beef round for taco meat. And you know, it's good. I want to get throw my seasonings in there. What I got here is some half of yellow bell pepper. That's a quarter of a white onion right there, and that is 3 cloves of garlic. We got a coffee chili rub, and this is good. I've been checking out a couple cats using a lot of coffee seasonings, and we're gonna season this pretty heavily. There's no measurements. Got this done, like I said. You want to see what that look like. And in this pan right here, I got a tablespoon and a half of bacon fat, and then a half a tablespoon of the garlic spread. I'm gonna add some of this curry seasoning, a couple tablespoons of that. It's like 2 tablespoons of that curry seasoning. And I'm rocking that Island Boy Spice Paradise Curry. I got 1.5 cups of rice. Let's get that stirred up. Okay, so this is totaling 3 cups of water because I use 1.5 cups of rice. So we rolling. Got that. I'm gonna spray my little grace down with some of this avocado garlic oil, just because I don't want these bad boys to stick. A couple wheat ones. See how that turned out. Got some with some cheddar. And some with some Muenster. Uh-oh. Gonna tuck that in. Alright, here's that. Down a little bit. And then we're gonna spray the top with some of that oil. And we're gonna let these bad boys toast up in the smoker. Be back in a minute with a good bite. Yeah, there they go. All done, nice and smoked up. Bobby Burrito, your boy Keenan smoked burritos. And we got that beef in there seasoned with the coffee chili rub. Made a little curry rice with the Island Boy spice curry seasoning, and also added a little Goya in there, and then we added some MSG. All right, let's cut this bad boy. Now I got that slice of avocado in there. Oh yeah, look at that. See that curry rice, the beef, the avocado. You got the layers of cheese. Man, let's get a bite. Okay, so let's get a bite of the my smoked burrito, a.k.a. the body burrito. All right. It tastes everything. When you got that avocado coming up in there, smoothing it out. You taste the coffee and the chili and the seasoning. That Island Boy spice curry that came through. A little MSG, Goya. All right, I need a little sauce on there. And this is just some good old regular French onion dip. It is not just for chips. Remember that. Tip from your boy. Man, that's good. You got that nice little smoky flavor coming through the tortilla. And then there's just like kissing all the ingredients on the inside. Still a little hot. Need a minute. I dedicate this to my little cousin Bobby. All right. That was real good. I know him and everybody out there would like this. And this is something special to me. Every year I try to do a dish dedicated to him around 4th of July. And this is what I came up with this year. It's just a little late because I still struggle with that. And so, but this is good. It came out good. And, I appreciate everybody checking me out. Thanks to all the subscribers, all the views, and everybody be cool out there. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the little bell so you get your little notifications when I'm dropping new videos. Be sure to check out my grocery store adventure playlist. Check out all my playlists. You can see where I started, where I am now. You'll definitely see a lot of improvement. All right, everybody be cool out there.